Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a 2024 Premier 230 Solaris. So this is going to be a 23-foot tri-tune here. I want to show you something new for 2024 up at the bow. Instead of having the paneling going across the door right here, they added in this addition where it's going to be a clear see-through, which I think is a nice feature. We have our flip-up cleats here and then also our docking lights. Walking down the outside of the boat here, you got the black on black paneling and then railing right here. We also have the electric bimini top. Nice platform back here in the stern. Our ski tow bar that does light up. This is powered by a 250 Verado by Mercury, so it's going to be a lot of power when you're on the water. And this also has the PTX 32, so larger center tube right here. It's going to give you a 47-gallon fuel tank. And let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside this beautiful 230 Solaris. Starting back here on the stern of the boat, this does have the RF or rear-facing loungers back here. It's more of your traditional setup with the couches on either side, tons of storage below the seats, and then also cup holders on either side. Walking towards the helm, we have captain and co-captain seating, both do swivel and adjust. They are a high back and super comfortable. What you get on all your Premiers is this raised helm. It's going to be fiberglass. And then we have non-skid up here and then also on the flooring. We also have a glove box on top of the helm. And this does have your Cermat display screen. So it's going to give you all of your engine diagnostics, your chart plotting, navigation. Everything's going to be very accessible at the helm. Spot right here to plug in your phone, and this does have a cooling cup, so you can put your drink right in there, turn it on. It's going to keep your drinks cold throughout the day. Since this does have the 250 Verado, we have the digital throttle and shift, and then all your redundant buttons right here for your horn, lights, nav lights, etc., and then JL audio, so you're going to have great sound quality across the boat. Walking towards the bow, we have a large ski locker right here. Tons of storage below. Right now we just have the cover in there, and then a new addition this year is our trash can, and then a spot for paper towels right here, and then more storage below the helm. All right, so up here in the bow, a lot of seating on either side. This boat's built for entertainment. It's rated for 17 passengers on a 23-foot tri-tune, so tons of room to move about. Feel free to give us a call. Come on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.